Hi, this is Prem Kumar Tamang. My student ID is 103 07791. I am from section 2. So this is the lab 9 project of IoT. So here I have set up my embedded board, my Arduino board, and my Raspberry Pi board here connected to the USB A to USB the serial cable. So for here I have made it ready to execute the program. So when I enter this button, so when I execute this code, LED of this should be turned on, and when I press on that, when I change my that input to serial input to 5, the green LED should turn on, and this one should be turned off. So I'll just press enter for right now. So now this LED has turned on, and I'll just change my code to I'll just change my input to serial input 5. When I change when I execute that code, it should this should turn on and this should turn off. So I'll just execute the code. Yeah, it has turned on and this bulb has turned off, so it's working. Thank you.